Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening your Google Ads account and confirming you have admin access so you can pause or stop campaigns. Once signed in, verify billing and any linked merchant center or analytics that depend on ads. Make a quick backup. Export campaign settings, audiences, and conversion actions as CSV so you can restore or analyze later. Now locate the campaign list in the left menu. You will use it for the first actionable steps to pause or remove spend immediately. You should select the campaigns you intend to stop and use the edit menu or toggles to pause them. Pausing halts spend immediately while preserving data. Next, inspect ad groups, keywords, and ad extensions so nothing keeps running via other entities. Make sure automated rules, scripts, or third-party APIs aren't reactivating campaigns. Disable them. Once done, check shared budgets and schedules to prevent accidental spend. Pausing at multiple levels ensures ads stay offline while you finish by confirming every level, campaign, ad group, and ad reflects paused or removed, and then monitor the account for 24 to 48 hours for any unexpected impressions or billing. If charges continue, check for active billing thresholds, pending payments, or delayed charge windows. If campaigns reactivate, audit account users, automated rules, scripts, and third-party API tokens. Revoke or adjust as necessary. One troubleshooting tip. If an automation keeps turning campaigns on, disable the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.